Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, going to show you how to hide Wi-Fi password on your Android phone. So if you're going to open your Wi-Fi assistant on your Android phone, you'll find a QR code, and at the bottom you'll find the password. So if you want to hide it, so basically just have to add some security on your phone. So go to your phone settings and find the password security, or in this case, I'm going to open and tap on lock screen. And then from here, you can basically scroll down and find that passwords and security right here at the bottom, and just need to set up a password. So maybe you can use screen lock, a pattern, or PIN. So you can maybe use different type of password security to basically hide, and that will not be open. So here, as you can see, you can enable your fingerprint, screen lock, face unlock. You can go to privacy protection password and enable this one to make it a private. And also you can basically use this privacy settings. You can also go to lock screen settings. So depending on your preference here, or depending on the unit of your phone, you can basically add some security, add some passwords. Then if they're going to open that Wi-Fi QR code or something password, will be hide, or maybe they need to have to access with a password, so it will be hide to anyone. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.